All right, we're gonna go out on a night ride. I've never done this before. I mean, we've gone out to like the hill, but we're gonna actually do some duning through the dunes, but at night. So everything got their lights on and everything. So this should be a lot of fun, maybe, or scary. I haven't quite decided yet. We'll see. So I could see a little bit better, thinking I'd have less dust in my face if there's just one car in front of me. But I tell you what, this is wild. This is way hard to tell. I am way too close compared to the other guys. At the spacing between everybody behind us and seeing how far one car is from another and realizing I'm a lot closer to my brother who's in the lead and the other cars are to each other. Well, maybe they're grouping up a little bit. Wow, this is really cool. Now that we're moving, this is a lot better. Now that we're turning, the dust is a lot easier to see through. Okay, we've got a little bit of a little bump flipping over. Around. Bump coming down. I think I was in the wrong gear. Whoa! Okay, that's better. This is so cool. Oh, this is cool. I was pretty scared to do this at first, but man, this is really neat. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I don't know if any of this is going to turn out on camera, but man, this is cool. This is so wild. Talk about it. You want to feel like you're driving on a different planet, man. It's wild enough during the day. Man, at night, this is something else. Oh my gosh, so awesome.
gotta follow exactly where he goes, watch where he goes, watch where he dips, see where he disappears. He disappeared over this hill. Now we go down and around. I have to stay close enough that I see where he transitions, but far enough away that I'm not in his dust trail, so I can still see, you know? Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh, this is so cool. It's awesome, but it really is also very scary. For this only being like my 4th trip out here, it really does scare me still. Not a whole lot of seat time out here, but okay. Oh, this is awesome. Oh man. This is awesome. I know you already turned the lights off so you can't really see, but man, this is incredible. So awesome. hit the witch's eye. A little soft, but enough so that scared me. Okay, I gotta be a bit more careful. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh man, this is definitely a bit more than I expected. A little harder than I expected to be driving. This is nuts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, this is a steep drop. Whoa. Made it to the hill. There aren't many people here tonight. There's normally a lot of cars, but I guess not a whole lot tonight or here, but a lot of people left. Whew.
So I noticed one of the times we stopped that the car smelled like gear oil, and I've noticed that a few times while driving it this weekend. And I finally got under there, took a look, and I noticed that like the vent for the transmission, had some gear oil on. Well, that's pretty normal, it's the vent. But then I saw like some oil on the transmission. in like a weird spot. There's no bolts, there's no drains, there's no vents, there's nothing around it. Which then led me to think, uh-oh, did I crack the transmission case or something? So I smelled some gear oil, and you can see it's a little wet, like right in there. And well, if you look right there, there's that little Y shape, whatever. We got some gear oil seeping out of the case. So I guess the case is cracked, and that's probably about it for this car for this trip, unfortunately. That's a Mendiola transmission, and we've been driving on it for 4 seasons now, so it's probably about time. Oh, there's some seepage back here too. Interesting. So yeah, it looks like the case is cracked a little bit, which I don't understand, because normally when the case cracks, you get like pretty major catastrophic internal failures, and that just isn't the case here because it's still shifting just fine. So I don't know. I'm not really sure what's happening with it. I guess we'll take a look. This car is probably down now. I mean, it's almost the end of the season anyway, but we had one more week and we're hoping to go with it. Now it probably won't, and we'll just kind of have to see what actually happened. But aside from that, dude, night rides, scary and fun.